Hi students, in this video we will want to display the pattern in this format, that is 1 2 3 4 5 in the first row, 1 2 3 4 in the second row, 1 2 3 1 2 1. In the last video we have seen 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 in the last row. So this is exactly reverse of that. In the first row 5 values, in the second row 4 3 2 and 1 in the third row. So in order to display this, the base one is this one only. So as we discussed this one already, from this I will teach you how to display in this particular format. Okay, so now here we are displaying in the reverse order, that is first time 5, second time 4, third time 3, next time 2, the next finally 1. Okay, how many rows are there? Totally 5 rows. How many columns are there? In the first row 5 columns, second row 4 columns, third row 3 columns, 2 columns and 1 column. Okay, here we need to remember one more pointer. So every time the starting value, what is the starting value every time? Every time the starting value is 1 and ending value is different. Whereas here every time starting value is same and ending value is also same. Whereas here starting value and ending value are differing. Okay, first let me execute this part as we have already discussed in our previous video. Then next I will explain you this part. Now let me show the execution first. I less than or equal to 5. So this we have seen. So this is numeric pattern 2, second program on numeric patterns. So save your program. So I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. This is for number of rows. How many rows are required for us? 5. J equal to 1, j less than or equal to 5, j plus plus. How many columns are required? 5 columns. Then printf percentage 2d. Percentage 2d already we discussed. While execution, just change this to 3d, 4d, 5d and you can find the difference. Then in every row, if you run this application, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 will be displayed onto the screen every time. But actually what we want here, so we want first row 5, second row 4 3 2 1. This one we want as output. We want to display this as output. We don't want to display these parts. So now what we need to do here, so here in the last video we have changed here. So j less than or equal to I. So if you write here j less than or equal to I, what happens? What is the value of I first time? 1. First it will display the output in this format. First time 1 value, second time 2 values, third time 3 values, fourth time 4 values, fifth time 5 values it will display. But actually how many we want first time? 5 values we want. Second time 4, third time 3, next time 2, fifth time only 1 value we want. So a small change here is because 5 4 3 2 1 we want. So what we can do here is, so change this loop to I equal to 5, I greater than or equal to 1, then I minus minus. Now let us observe what happens. Now can you tell me what is the value of I for the first time? Now let me delete this part. What is the value of I? 5. 5 greater than or equal to 1, S enters into this block. So 1 to I. So what is the value of I now? 5. So 1 to 5. So the output for the first time will be 1 2 3 4 5. Then when j becomes 6, condition becomes false, comes out of the loop, then moves to next row. Then again I minus minus. Now what is the value of I minus minus? I is 5, it becomes 4. 4 greater than or equal to 1, S. Now 1 to 4. So output will be 1 2 3 4. Then next time again I minus minus. Now I value becomes 3 greater than or equal to 1, yes. So now I value is 3, so it displays the numbers from 1 to 3. So output will be here, the third row will display 1 to 3, then slash n, then I minus minus becomes 2. 2 greater than 1, yes. Now 1 to 2, so 1 to 2, so how many numbers it will display? 2 numbers will be displayed onto the screen, 1 and 2. Moves to next line, again I minus minus 1, so 1 to 1, only one number will be displayed, then slash n, then I minus minus 0, 0 greater than 1, false, comes out of the outer loop. Now you can see the output here, so save your program, compile and run the program. It is the output 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, 1 2 1 displays this output. So thank you for watching, see you in next video.